We are pleased to show you the 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, braking assist, perimeter alarm, power brakes, body color door handles. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.